guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make a small banana bread for one. Also, you do not need that many ingredients, and these are the only things that you need. You need one egg, you also need bananas, you need baking soda, you need margarine or butter, you also need vanilla essence, sugar and flour. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So I'll start with the bananas. I'm going to add 3 bananas. Oops. You need very ripe bananas for this also. It's a very simple recipe actually, and you do not need that many ingredients. Also, you do not need any fancy tools to do this. I'm gonna peel my bananas. And then, oh, here are my bananas. Now I'm gonna mash them. Okay. And then after mashing, I'm going to add my egg, vanilla essence and butter. So let's add my egg. So you need 1 egg, and then a half a teaspoon, no, tablespoon of vanilla essence. And then sugar. So you need 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2. And then your melted butter. You need 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Maybe let me add a little bit more. Like that, and then we are going to mix. After adding all those ingredients, you are going to mix well. Mix. And then we are gonna add now our dry ingredients. After that, I will also be adding a little bit of salt, just like that. And then after you are done mixing, now we are going to add our dry ingredients, and that is baking soda, like that, maybe a little bit more. And then we add 45 grams of flour. So always remember to sieve your flour. So I'm going to be adding 1, 2, that's 40, like that. Mix everything together. You give it a very nice mix. It's supposed to be like that. So after that, I take my pan. Now I'm going to add flour. I'm going to butter it so that the cake doesn't stick. Like that, then I'll add flour. So I'm done. Now I'm going to pour my butter in here. Like that. Don't know if you can see me. We also need like a big bowl for this. Okay, let me pour it. That's it. So I'm gonna preheat the oven at maybe 300 degrees for 5 minutes, and then I'll put my cake in for 15 to 20 minutes at 175. So I'm preheating my oven right now. Maybe there for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna put my cake in like that. So I hope you can. That's my cake, guys. So let's cut it and see. Yep. So this is a banana. So I decided to add a banana right here. Ooh, so good. So good. So soft. So if you love this video and you like this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment down below what you'd like to see from me. Bye.